everyone. I'm Alfi Putri from C class. Today I will present my research article entitled Fatherless and Forced Early Marriage in Surabaya, a qualitative case study. This study examines how the absence of a father figure increases the vulnerability of teenage girls to early marriage.
Okay.
Early marriage continues to be a serious issue in Indonesia, including in Surabaya. According to UNICEF 2023, Indonesia ranked 4th in the world in total number of child marriage, with more than 25 million women married before the age 18. Although Surabaya is highly urban city with better access to education, many teenage girls are still pushed into marriage due to social, cultural, and economic pressures. One factor that is often overlooked in fatherless are the lack of an active father figure. The main problem addressed in this study is limited understanding of how fatherless specifically contribute to early marriage decisions among teenage girls. Further, often play an important protective and emotional role. When this role is missing, girls may become more vulnerable to external pressure and manipulation. This study has two objectives. First, to explore how fatherless increases the vulnerability of teenage girls to early marriage, and second, to identify the emotional, education, and psychological impacts caused by the absence of father figure. Previous literature highlight 3 key points. The first, early marriage is linked to educational disruption, domestic violence, long-term poverty, and psychological instability. And the second, according to BKKBN 2023, around 18% of Indonesian children do not receive sufficient emotional involvement from their fathers. This affects their confidence, emotional security, and decision-making abilities. And the third, in Surabaya cultural context, fathers are often seen as protectors and main decision makers. When this role disappears, girls may lose a sense of security and become more present into early marriage. This research used a qualitative case study approach. I used two types of data. The second, primary data, a narrative interview with a 19 years old girl from Surabaya who experienced pressure to marry early after losing her father figure. And the second, secondary data, reports from UNICEF, BKKBN, and WHO, and the Komnas Perempuan. This analysis was conducted using thematic analysis, focusing on emotional vulnerability and social pressure and developmental impacts. So we move to the result and discussion. After the death of her foster father at age 15, the participant experienced a major emotional gap. She felt unprotected and lacked guidance during an important stage of adolescence, which made her more dependent on emotional validation from mothers. With no father figure to support her decision, the participant had difficulty refusing family pressure to marry early. This consistent with BKKBN, finding the father involvement strengthens girls' confidence and assertiveness. The participant lost focus and motivation in her education, and her chance of continue to higher education decreased. This aligns with BPS 2021, which reports that many girls married under 18 do not continue their schooling. She also saw signs of emotional stress and anxiety. UNICEF and WHO note that girls who marry before 18 are more likely to experience depression and long-term psychological issues. She also saw signs of emotional stress and anxiety. UNICEF and WHO note that girls who marry before 18 are more likely to experience depression and long-term psychological issues. Overall, the findings show that fatherless significantly increases the risk of early marriage. The absence of father creates emotional instability and weakens the girl's ability to resist social or family pressure. In other words, fatherless amplifies anxiety, cultural, and economic vulnerabilities. In conclusion, forced early marriage in Surabaya is not only driven by economic or cultural factor, but also by the emotional and developmental effect of fatherless. The lack of active father figure reduces emotional resilience, weakens decision-making ability, and increases susceptibility to coercion. To prevent early marriage, family and communities must strengthen parental involvement, especially father and support the age emotionally and educationally. Thank you for your listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.